Hello everybody, Chris Henderson from Northern Tribe Outdoors, and I'm here today out on the mudflats, and I'm going to try and give it a go. I haven't had a lot of luck out here at the end of the season, but I think today I might do all right. We got serious fog working right now, but it's going to turn out to be a bright blue clear day. I think we need to really take advantage of these birds that come in the fog. So that's where a call makes all the difference in the world. Here's my spread today. Got about a dozen avian X sitting out there, and then my typical 4 little Wigeon and 3 pintail. That's my go-to spread out here with a single man. You can move 2 strings and the assault Wigeon, of course, sitting out there. And you can do that with just one man pretty easy. When the tide moves, and the tide's going to move. We got a 13.5 today, but it's going to go down to a 3, and so I'm only going to get to hunt this probably till 1 o'clock or so, and then I'll have to get out of Dodge maybe before that. So anyway, that's what we got going. Now let's see if we can't get some birds. Enjoy the hunt. Well, this is going to be interesting. We got our first bird, and that went pretty good, but tried firing the third shot, and the gun won't cock. I mean, it moves, the action moves and everything, but there's no pressure on the trigger. So I'm going to take it apart here and see what we got going. This could be the end of an early hunt. We did get the bird though. Tori earned her keep on this one. It had run up on the bank and was hiding, and she got up there and put the scent on it and did a good job, didn't you? Yeah, you did a good job. So we're going to take the gun apart and see what we got. What a travesty of errors. So got the gun repaired. Finisher is good as a gun tool. And there was some mud underneath the mechanism and the trigger, and it wasn't allowing it to shift forward enough to let the firing or the hammer go. So actually I had to rinse it off in salt water. That's just great. But once I got it out of there, it worked. But in the meantime, while I was working on that, about 100 Wigeon came by my decoys, some of them in range, and all Tori could do was whine, and all I could do was whine. What a deal. So anyway, yes, thank you, Tori. So we're back hunting again, but now we're at the place where the tide is going to be rocking and rolling getting out of here. So we're going to be moving quite a bit till we get down to like the 6 area, and then I'm going to pick up and maybe try a different area that I've never hunted before, but where I've often thought on those really low tides it might work. So we'll see. I don't know how much GoPro battery is going to be left for much of this hunt. It's the cold is just really zapping it. So anyway, I'm sitting at 1 duck. Should have been a few more than that. So what do you do? But it's nice to see that there are at least a few ducks out here. So that's good. So Anyway, let's see if we can't get a couple to come in here. Fetch it up. Finally. Fetch it up. Don't mingle it. Just bring it. Come. Come. Hold. Hold. Come. Come. Hold. Oh dear. Bring it. Fetch it up. Hold. Come. Good girl. Give. Give. Whew. Okay. Leave it. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. No. Come. Hold. Come. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come. Good girl. Come. No. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Hold. Hold. Come. 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 Yes. Give. Good girl. Good girl. Well, it's 4 o'clock, so I'm going to call it a day. It's getting dark. No, I probably got some time left to shoot. It's just really socked in and foggy. So, ending the day with 3 teal and a Wigeon, and with my gun malfunctioning, I had birds right over my head with the gun torn apart. So, multiple times. So. That's a treat. Clean your gun. Anyway, it was a good day back, and Tori did great. Didn't want to be in her kennel much, or still having to work on that a little bit, but she did great on the retrieves. So happy with that, and had to get home before we freeze to death. So thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe, and give me a comment if you like my videos, and if you'd like to see more. Also, the NTO Wigeon whistle is available on northerntribeoutdoors.com, and 100% of the proceeds from those Wigeon whistles go to a really good cause. So if you want to find out more about that, let me know in the comment section. I can tell you all about it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the hunt. See you next time.